how should I determine a PPC budget when launching a new FB product? When it comes down to the budget, I really like that you're asking how should I determine a PPC budget. So it's not like I have $1,000 deal with it, but rather than if I want to run advertising for my product, and these are the 5 top relevant keywords for my product, can I afford running ads for all the 5? And that is a really important question to ask, because the way how we would be doing it is, say, again, this is your product. This is a black silicone mug, glass. It's a glass mug with silicone exterior, with a bamboo lid, and also with this plastic straw. So this is a super detailed way of me describing the product. But whenever I'm seeing that I want to launch, especially this product, I would want to see, okay, which are the keywords that are highly relevant to this product, so I can test and see how much will it cost me. And the way how you can do this, literally you would need to create exact match campaigns for those 5 keywords and then see how much is it going to cost you to show up at top of search. Why I'm saying top of search, especially when you're launching, you want the most amount of eyeballs as possible. And usually top of search, the first page on Amazon, whenever you as a shopper would just write in Amazon.com and find the keyword of glass jar, or I'm not even sure, glass tumbler, maybe. That's a good way to describe this product, a very broad way, but a good way to describe it. If your product is showing up within the first 5 placements, I may be consider clicking on that. If I have to scroll until the 20th page or even the 2nd page of Amazon, I will have to scroll there to see your product. That clearly it's going to show me that actually you don't understand the issues of product launch. So the way how I would determine this is basically I would be starting 5 campaigns, all of them in sponsored product exact match, see how much it costed me to get at least the 1 sale, and then see out of those 5, okay, which are the ones that, first off, how much it cost me, and then second, which are the ones that I could replicate successfully and reallocate budget to from the campaigns where I see that it's too expensive for me to right away create ads for.